We have leftover cinnamon raisin bread. Half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, a can of evaporated milk, can of condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, cinnamon powder, 3 large eggs. Here's our caramel. Here's cinnamon raisin bread flan. Ta-da! Perfection! Super beautiful. Look at that. Ah, ginoo ko, Lord! Enjoy. Super yummy, super sweet, super delicious, nutritious, and fabulous. Enjoy.